Hello everyone, Nick Hancock from Georgetown Toyota. Hope you're all doing well. I just wanted to do a short video for you today, just showing you how to use our remote engine starter that is included on some of our smart key systems here on our new Toyota vehicles. Now, as long as your vehicle does have remote connect, you'll be able to access this feature no problem. Now, there is no independent start button for them. There is a sequence of buttons that I will show you how to press in order to access that. But again, as long as your vehicle has remote connect, you'll be able to access this feature. Now, without further ado, here's how you do it. Okay, so what you would do is you're going to press the lock button once, you're going to press it again within 1 second, and then on the third time you're going to hold it. So essentially how it would look is it's going to be looking like something like this. So I'll just zoom out a little bit here. So I'm going to press it once, twice, and on the third time I'm holding it. And you'll notice that you did it right when you start to see your four ways start to flash like this. Then you know that it's working, and as you can tell and see by there, the vehicle has started.